as we have already studied about the chemical equations, now we are going to study about our new topic, and the name of the topic is types of chemical equations. Chemical equation can be divided into two types. Mean to say chemical equations are of two types. First one is the balanced chemical equation and the second one is the unbalanced chemical equation. Now we will discuss about both of them one by one. First one is balanced chemical equation. Now what is a balanced chemical equation? A balanced chemical equation has number of atoms of each element equal on both sides. Mean to say, in a balanced chemical equation, the number of atoms are always equal on both sides. Both sides means on the side of reactants and on the side of products. This will be more clear to you when you see this example. What is the example? Here I have written zinc reacts with sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is produced along with it. As you know, the symbol of zinc is Zn. The formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4 and the formula of zinc sulfate is ZnSO4, hydrogen H2. So what is this? Zinc, sulfuric acid, zinc sulfate, hydrogen. Mean to say zinc reacts with sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen. Now, as written in our definition, we have to see the number of atoms on reactant side as well as on product side. To check this, first of all, we will see how many elements are present in it. You can see in this equation zinc, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. These are the four elements which are present in this equation. Only what happens? Only the rearrangement of the elements takes place and the new products are formed. Now, in order to count the number of atoms of each element, I have made one table. With the help of this, you can easily understand how the number of atoms are equal on reactant side as well as on product side. As I have already told to you, there are four elements: zinc, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Now we will see the number of atoms in reactants, mean to say on left hand side, and the number of atoms in products, that is on right hand side. In order to count this, I will tell you how to count it. First, zinc. You can see only Zn is here. Mean to say only it has one atom. So I have written 1 here. But in case of hydrogen, you can see I have written here H2. H2 means it has 2 atoms. So in front of hydrogen, I will write number of atom is equal to 2. Next comes the sulfur. The symbol of sulfur is S. And how many atoms are present? You can see as it is only singly placed, its number of atoms is equal to 1. So in place of sulfur, in front of it, I will write 1. Then oxygen. How many atoms are present? O4. There are 4 atoms. So in front of the oxygen, I have written 4. This is all about the reactants. Now we have to check the number of atoms in case of products. As you can see, zinc is singly placed, so it has only 1 atom, and I will write here 1. This side is zinc, and in front of zinc I will write 1. Next comes the sulfur. The number of atoms again equal to 1. Here sulfur is written here in the 1, 2, 3, third number. So in front of it I will write 1 because sulfur atom is 1. I will write 1. Then comes the oxygen. Number of atoms present in oxygen are 4. So oxygen I have written here. In front of it I will write 4. Last comes the hydrogen. Number of atoms are 2. Here I have written the hydrogen. In front of hydrogen I will write 2. Now if we compare the left hand side and right hand side, mean to say the number of atoms in reactants and in products, you can see in zinc both sides have 1 atoms. Hydrogen 2 2, sulfur 1 1, and oxygen 4 4. So the number of atoms in reactants is equal to number of atoms in products. So this is a balanced chemical equation. In next lecture, we will study about the unbalanced chemical equation and how to balance a unbalanced chemical equation. Thank you.